Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to increase microphone volume on Windows 10 PC or laptop. First method is open sound settings. Select your input device, change volume. Second method is open control panel sound settings. Select input device, change volume. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.